Have you ever wondered how those juicy, sweet pomegranates get to consumers? The United States, one of the world's largest pomegranate producers, harvest about 1.7 billion pounds each year, mostly from farms in California. But how are these bright red pomegranates grown, cared for, harvested with modern machinery, and processed into products like juice or packaged pomegranate seeds? Discover this incredible journey in the video below. Pomegranate planting season typically begins in early spring when temperatures warm up, creating favorable conditions for the plants to take root and grow. Before planting, farmers use a plow to loosen the soil, which improves drainage and moisture retention. Organic fertilizer from livestock waste is also added to provide the necessary nutrients for the young plants. Once the soil is ready, the plants are ready to be planted. Pomegranates are usually propagated by cuttings, which help the seedlings retain the best characteristics of the mother plant. Once the roots have developed healthily, the seedlings are transferred to large-scale plantations to continue growing. With the support of modern advanced machinery, the planting process is faster and more precise, helping to reduce labor. In addition, the distance between trees is carefully calculated to ensure that the trees have enough space for optimal growth. In the early stages, pomegranate trees need regular watering to form strong roots. Large farms often use drip irrigation systems to provide water efficiently and economically. Although mature pomegranate trees are drought tolerant, young trees still need adequate watering to grow steadily. In addition to watering, farmers also apply organic or synthetic fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to promote tree growth. To protect plants from pests, pesticides are sprayed at appropriate intervals, usually every 2 months during the growing season. However, farmers need to choose the right type of pesticide and apply it in the right dosage so as not to negatively affect the quality of the fruit and the surrounding environment. In addition, combining biological control methods and maintaining good growing conditions also helps to limit pests in a safe and sustainable way. After about 3 to 4 years, pomegranate trees begin to bear fruit. Pomegranate flowers typically bloom in the spring, are bright red, and attract pollinating insects such as bees. Pomegranate trees are also self-pollinating, allowing the fruit to develop even without the help of insects. As As the flowers fade, young fruit form, which then gradually grow throughout the summer. Under favorable weather conditions, pomegranates turn red or yellow, depending on the variety, marking the stage when they are fully ripe and ready to harvest. To protect the quality of the fruit during the ripening stage, farmers apply bagging to minimize environmental impacts. This method not only keeps the fruit clean and prevents damage from external factors, but also helps regulate the level of exposure to sunlight, preventing sunburn or cracking of the skin. Thanks to this, when harvested, the pomegranates still maintain their bright color, smooth surface, and high commercial value. Starbucks is a critical step in pomegranate production. As harvesting too early can result in the fruit not reaching the desired sweetness, while harvesting too late can result in cracking or loss of commercial value. Unlike some fruits that continue to ripen after picking, pomegranates retain their sweetness at harvest. Therefore, farmers often sample the fruit before picking to ensure optimal ripeness. On some large farms, machines assist farmers in the harvesting process. The conveyor system can be adjusted in height to suit each tree, making the harvesting process easier, while the machine seat is also flexibly designed to make it easier for the harvester to operate. Deep grooves on the conveyor help keep the pomegranates stable, limiting impacts that affect quality. After picking, the pomegranates are placed on the conveyor and moved gently to the collection basket at the back. Before entering the basket, they pass through a rotating device with a soft cloth attached to clean the surface, ensuring the fruit meets standards before moving to the next stages. After harvesting, pomegranates are transported to the processing plant and undergo a rigorous inspection process to ensure quality. The first stage is washing to remove dirt, sand, and bacteria. Pomegranates are put through a high-pressure water jet system combined with soft brushes or a tank of sterilized water to thoroughly clean without damaging the skin, helping to extend shelf life. Next, they are sorted using optical scanners or manually inspected to assess their size, color, and surface quality. Fruits that do not meet the required standards are separated for other uses, while automated sorting machines continue to classify them based on size and weight to meet market demands. Finally, the pomegranates are packed into trays or boxes with soft padding to prevent damage during transportation. Thanks to modern processing technology, pomegranates not only retain their freshness, but also maintain high quality when reaching consumers. The journey of a pomegranate from the farm to the consumer is a combination of the dedication of the farmer and advanced technology. The next time you enjoy a fresh pomegranate or a glass of nutritious juice, remember the effort behind it. How do you like the process? Leave the comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future exciting agricultural documentaries. See you in the next video. Have you ever wondered how the familiar onion comes to be in most of our daily dishes? Onions are a staple ingredient in cuisines around the world, adding flavor to countless dishes. The United States produces about 8.9 billion pounds of onions each year, making it one of the world's leading producers of the vegetable. But how are these onions grown, cared for, harvested, and processed for market demand? Discover the entire process in the video below. California, Washington, and Idaho are the largest onion-producing states in the U.S. thanks to their fertile soil and ideal growing conditions. During the growing process, the green leaves sway in the wind, showing healthy growth. As the onions ripen, the outer skin dries into a thin, papery skin, signaling harvest time. In late summer, when the onions reach their optimal size, farmers and modern machinery quickly harvest them, starting the journey from field to table. On large-scale onion farms in the U.S., modern harvesters help farmers increase productivity and reduce manual labor. Advanced technology ensures that onions are lifted gently from the ground while maintaining quality. When operating, the sharp blade glides through the top layer of soil, cutting the roots so that the onions can be easily separated from the soil. Immediately after, a system of belts and rotating bars carefully lifts the onions, avoiding scratches, ready for the next step. After cutting, the onions are placed on a conveyor belt for preliminary cleaning, removing dirt and impurities from the skin. A soft brush gently sweeps away any remaining soil, followed by strong air currents that blow away small dust particles. Next, the onions are automatically sorted by size and quality. Those that meet the standards are sent to the processing facility, while those that do not meet the standards are used to produce onion powder, frozen onions, or other processed products. Thousands of tons of onions are processed every day, reducing waste and ensuring a stable supply to the market. While machines do much of the work on large farms, manual harvesting is still necessary to preserve onion quality, reduce bruising, and keep the onions fresher longer. Workers use small shovels, digging forks, or specialized blades to loosen the soil, allowing the onions to be lifted gently without damaging the skin. They are then pre-cleaned in the field before being packed into hundreds of thousands of sacks. Harvested onions are transported to processing facilities where they undergo a rigorous process to maintain quality and freshness. Each truckload can carry up to 25 tons of onions, which are then unloaded and loaded onto conveyor belts for transfer to large storage facilities. Before being stored, the onions pass through vibrating screens, filters, and powerful fans to remove dirt and debris from the field. Cracked or damaged onions are removed to ensure product quality. For fresh whole onions, they are sent through a modern processing line where every stage meets the highest standards. A mechanical sorting system arranges the onions by size and weight, ensuring uniformity in packaging and transportation. Rejected onions are repurposed into onion powder or dried onions. Next, an advanced optical sensor system equipped with high replication cameras and infrared technology detects any defects, ensuring that only the highest quality products are packaged and distributed. Finally, the onions are packaged into bags and boxes, labeled and prepared for distribution. Every packaging stage is closely monitored to ensure the highest quality standards. Whether destined for supermarkets, restaurants, or processing facilities, each onion is handled with care to preserve its natural flavor. Behind every onion on the market is a methodical growing process. This process begins with selecting quality seeds and preparing the soil, two key factors that determine the efficiency of cultivation. Onions grow best in fertile, well-drained soil that receives enough sunlight to promote photosynthesis. The soil is thoroughly tilled to create looseness, allowing the roots to easily take hold and absorb nutrients. Seeds or bulbs are sown using specialized machines, ensuring uniform spacing. When planting with bulbs, farmers place them neatly with the top facing up to help the plant grow well. After planting, onions are watered with a drip or misting system to maintain moisture without causing root rot. During the bulb development stage, stable water helps onions reach optimal size. At the same time, organic or microbial fertilizers are added periodically to provide nutrients to help the plant stay healthy. In addition, spraying helps control pests and protect crop yields, ensuring healthy plant growth. After months of careful care, the onions reach maturity and the growing cycle begins again. From planting and harvesting to processing and packaging, every step of onion production is designed to be efficient, sustainable, and of high quality. The next time you chop an onion, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken from farm to table. What do you think about this onion harvesting and production process? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any interesting agricultural documentary videos. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated as soon as we release a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next content.